Hi. So, anywho, we are here. I'm feeling myself. This makeup, though, seriously, it's just... camera doesn't do it justice. Anyway, the reason we're here... super excited! I got this, like, 2 days ago. And I hadn't opened it yet. Like, not opened yet. Because I wanted to film it for y'all. I honestly don't know why I say y'all much. I am not from the South. I'm from the Midwest. It's cold, by the way. Hey, February. Fab Fit Fun Box. For those of you who get it. Always comes with this cute little magazine. Stuff. We'll look at that later. Hello Fresh. 9 free meals. Wonder how many I'm gonna have to buy to get those. What's this? Crooked teeth. I had braces. Okay. Let's see what we got. I don't even remember. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. Y'all, super exciting. I don't even remember what I got. So it's like, surprise! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Perlice Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel. Yes, ma'am. No, not me. There we go. I feel like a YouTuber. Put my hand behind stuff. Gently resurfaces, skin smoothing, boosts radiance, all skin types. Glycolic acid. Ooh. Ooh, it's got purple carrot in it and beet and lychee. It's a fucking salad in here. Ooh, it's so cute. It's all metallic-y. It's probably gonna have a seal. It does. I don't know if it smells like watermelon. It better smell like watermelon. It smells like watermelons. I love it. I'm excited about that. I love skincare. I love skincare. All right. We're gonna set that there. Next. I don't have a table in front of me yet. Super low budget. Oh, this works, y'all. I tried a primer by them that I got. I think it was in like an Allure Beauty box, which I don't get anymore because their customer service left something to be desired. This is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. That just sounds fucking fabulous, doesn't it? A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Use nightly after bathing before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. It literally says whilst. Can you see that? No? My camera doesn't want to focus on it. Whilst. A powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, something, and camelina sativa oils to nourish, support, and preserve skin vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender, chamomile to help improve sleep quality. Fucking wow. I'm in it. Next. What is this? Yes, God. Where was this when I was doing my makeup earlier? It'd be cute for you guys. I'm trying to get it open. It's the Scandinavia. Just like I think it's just their like original normal finishing spray is what they call it. Oh my gosh. Got it. Yeah, it just says the makeup finishing spray. Fine mist, oil-free, paraben-free. Y'all, does it smell? Ooh. Smells like hairspray. Maybe this is gonna work. Next. I just want to like use all these things all at the same time. Love new stuff. Murad. Ooh. More skincare. Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. Ooh, honey. Fast-acting treatment with a topical filler-like effect. We're here for filler-like effects. I would love some filler-like effect right here in this like baggy, poofy. Wow, look at that. When I tilt my head down, because I just have this one light. I don't have any lights over here. Oh, honey. Fast-acting treatment with a topical filler-like effect. Plump skin surface to minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles after just one use. Oh, there we go. There we go. That lid did not want to stay on. Next! I'm living for this one. Body oil. Yes, ma'am. Marianella, Rosewood, and Litzy Cuba body oil. I'm gonna be so soft between this body cocoon. I'm gonna be in it. I wonder. Oh, it's a pump. It's not a spray. That's too bad. I like the sprays. That's alright. Whoa, honey. It smells kind of weird. As soon as I cracked that lid, it was like, psst. Got freaking soda. Look at that. Dang, that girl is leaking. It feels nice though. It doesn't feel super greasy. And I feel like it... Ooh, we almost lost our box. I feel like it soaked right in. Just wipe off whatever was leaking. That's nice. Not a huge fan of the scent, but the scent isn't super strong. I'm gonna be at bedtime anyway. It says it's restorative and anti-aging. Soothe and replenish your skin the way nature intended with no harsh chemicals or additives. We'll see. I'm all about a body oil. Silicone. I have metal straws. It's like, I don't know. Chick and Tonic silicone straws. Brush cleaner and plastic case. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. There's the little brush in there. What? What? I think you're supposed to like fold up the straw and stick it in there since it's silicone and they're bendy. Obviously not the brush, but the straws. Those are super pretty. You know, they'd be like nicer, like sometimes a metal straw, like, I don't know. It's like irritating? I don't know. What is it? Oh, Lord. I picked this one. This was one of the ones I picked. It is a gravity weighted sleep mask. Weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. Made with premium fleece, adjustable Velcro strap, deep touch pressure stimulation. That is heavy. Does it? It's got a zipper. No, it's just all one. I didn't know if it like come out. No, it's all one thing. I'm not gonna put it on right now because I'm not gonna make it all over it. That is heavy. I feel like if you're laying on your back, they'll be like, I feel like it'd be good. We'll see. I feel like it's gonna be good. Bam. Last, I think. Yes. False bottom, got my hopes up. Ooh, last but not least. Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment. Based on science. Powerful LED combination. Infrared light, invisible to the naked eye, penetrates deeper than any other color in the spectrum. Red light reaches deep layers of the skin where it stimulates cellular repair and increased circulation to promote more vibrant, youthful complexion. Amber light brings vitality to dull and lifeless complexions, reduces the appearance of redness. I have redness. We'll see about that. Swelling and inflammation. The color of light is beneficial for rosacea. Don't get my hopes up. This amber light better work. Included the device, 3 AAA batteries, and a user guide. Comes with the batteries. Praise Jesus. 97% in a clinical study experienced significant reduction of wrinkles. Significant. What is this? Light therapy devices deliver light energy to your skin and the device surface may feel warm, which is normal. If you feel any discomfort with this warmth, please either 1, discontinue use and allow the device to cool prior to continuing treatments, or 2, pull the device away from the skin approximately 1/4 inch during treatments. Noted. Can you tell I'm excited about this? This comes with instructions. I'm using this forever. What? I'd be super sad if I can't use this. My skin, not like my face, but my scalp, it's been like super sensitive and stupid lately. So it says you have to power it on, place on or within 1/4 inch of the skin on your forearm for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, check the area. If the area has turned red and lasts for more than 2 hours, your skin is light sensitive, discontinue use and contact customer service. Sad day. The device will auto shut off after the completion of 3-minute treatment. That's handy. Move the device to the next area and repeat. That seems like it's going to take a while. Use device daily for best results. Do not exceed 3 treatments per day per treatment area. And some more languages. Handy. Oh. What's this? Welcome to light therapy. Thanks. I'm so excited about this, you guys. I want to like go wash my face and use it right now, but I'm not kidding. So it didn't, does this do all 3 lights at once? It didn't say. We're gonna find out. To be continued. Anyway, overall, super excited about everything. You know, I never hear anybody say anything about the brand This Works. But this shit works. They're lying. This deep sleep body cocoon has me feeling some kind of way. Lavender and chamomile. This shit's gonna sing me to sleep. I'm super excited about all of it. Maybe we'll let you know if I remember to let you know after I've tried everything. Opening batteries. I have to turn this thing on. I need to know. Boop. Get it, man. Snug. Oh. Wow. That was bright. Interesting. It does not want to focus on anything but me. Anyway. That's it. That's my Spring Fab Fit Fun box. I love these things so much. It's like presents. Oh, look at that makeup today, though. So pretty. I could get really close. So you can see my pores. Look at that pore. Anyway, Fab Fit Fun box. Springtime. Amazing. I'm here for it. I love it. We'll see you later. Bye.